Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change Toyota Corolla gear oil. First, gather your tools, including a 24mm socket, a breaker bar, a drain pan, and a fluid pump. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Corolla is securely on jack stands or ramps and perfectly level. This ensures accurate fluid level readings later. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. You will also need about 2 to 3 quarts of new gear oil, typically an API GL4 or GL5, SAE 75W90, and new crush washers for the drain and fill plugs. Now let's get that old gear oil out. First, locate both the fill and drain plugs on your transmission. The fill plug is usually higher up on the side, and the drain plug is at the bottom. It's crucial to loosen the fill plug first. This confirms you can refill the transmission after draining. Once the fill plug is loose, place your drain pan under the drain plug. Then, carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old, dark gear oil to completely drain into the pan. This might take several minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the fresh stuff. Clean your drain plug thoroughly and install it with a new crush washer, tightening it to about 29 foot-pounds. Next, insert the hose from your fluid pump into the fill plug opening. Begin pumping the new gear oil into the transmission. Most Corollas require around 2 to 3 quarts. Continue adding fluid until it just starts to trickle out of the fill hole. This indicates the transmission is at its proper level when the vehicle is level. You're almost done. Once the new oil is at the correct level, remove your pump hose. Clean the fill plug and reinstall it with a new crush washer, tightening it to the recommended 29 foot-pounds. Wipe down any spilled oil from the transmission and surrounding components. Remember to properly dispose of the old gear oil at an approved recycling facility. For optimal performance and longevity, consider changing your Toyota Corolla's manual transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.